Most people think packet hair can never look luxurious, but right here, I turned Amella straight hair into a bob wig, and that should change your mind. Now, in this video, I'll be showing you exactly how this hair performed after wigging, from texture and density to the final finish. Whenever I come in to make review on packet hairs, it is most definitely because I've got a lot of good reviews back to back on that product. Okay, now today I'm talking about this particular packet hair. Now, if you're on a budget, okay, you want to make a bob wig, but you don't want to use the Vietnamese bone straight, you don't want to use the baby thin hair, you want something really affordable, something that is okay, that will give you this bone straight feel, then I will highly recommend you go for this Amella hair, okay, and straight. Now, what's all about this Amella hair, okay, the straight texture? Like I said, I've gotten a lot of reviews. I've actually recommended this hair, and I keep getting good reviews back to back. Now, Amella comes in, the straight comes in different packaging. We have the one with closure, we have the one without closure. So it depends on the type of closure you would want for as a bob. Now, not everyone likes the 4x4 closure. Some people prefer their closure in Kim K, their bob in the long Kim K. Some would actually want a full frontal, some want a wilder closure. Irrespective of your preference, the Camilla got you covered. Okay, it comes in several varieties. Now, with me here is the Mela Pixie Coil. Sorry, I said Pixie Coil. Okay, I just made a video on the Mela Pixie Coil. So kindly check out that video as well. So this is the Mela in the straights in 8 inches. Okay, now if you want to make a bob wig, I mean the length you go for is either an 8 inches bob, which should be at your chin length, or a 10 inches. Okay, and if you want a bob a little bit longer, you can go for a 12 inches. Okay, and if you want the straight hair like the one on me, you want a very straight hair, then you can go for that 20 inches. They actually have longer length, so I'll put the list of the lengths you can get in Amella. All right, so this is Amella in 8 inches. You can see how nice the packaging is. Okay, I kind of love it. I love when brand invest so much in their packaging. So I'm gonna unbox this, like open this right now, and let's see the quality of this hair. Like, I mean, aside the hype of this hair, is it worth your money? But I always like to confirm that, is it worth your money? So, I mean, before you go get any pack hair, come check if I made a review on it, okay? And here you get the authentic review on what this hair is fine. It got my attention while I was talking to you guys. Like, the texture is amazing, amazing. Okay, so yeah, this is the 8 inches. Now some people always ask, "Ah, isn't it inches not? It's not too long. It's not too short." Well, I'm gonna wig this hair. Okay, so you get to find out is 18 inches too short. I'm gonna wig this hair, and I'll be styling this hair into a bob wig for a client. So you get to see the quality of this hair. The texture. Well, I'll talk about that in this particular video. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at. Can you see this? Like, I've wigged this hair in 20 inches, I've wigged the 14 inches, I've wigged the 16 inches. And this I would say is a budget friendly hair. You don't want to spend so much on buying a Vietnamese bone straight or a Brazilian hair. This would go. This would go for, I mean, for the price. This is good. I'm not saying this is proportional to a baby thin hair. I would not compare, But I'm saying if you're on a budget, you're looking for a human hair quality hair to make your bob wig, I would highly recommend this hair. I mean, people that have recommended hair today always, I mean, come up with good reviews. They love the hair. Someone was screaming, "Oh my god, lovely! This hair feels like a bone straight. Oh my god!" It is not a bone straight. It is not a bone straight. Okay, but it is a very good human hair for a bob wig. Like, quality is amazing. Okay, it's also another brand that I'm going to recommend to you. I'll post the brand at the end of the video. Also, very good quality. Very good quality. Now, this hair texture is amazing. Nice. It's written here, super double drawn. Amela super double drawn. But like I said, I like to find out these brands, are they really super double? Because I've got some packets, the brand will write double drawn, and at the end of the day, after wigging the hair, you find that it's actually a single drawn. Almost like, by just looking at the pack, I feel like this hair is not actually double drawn hair. So why write double drawn on the pack? So okay, let's just go ahead and wig, and I found that it's actually a single drawn hair. So most times I don't always believe when the brand says, "Oh, this hair is actually this hair is a spoilable draw." I always want to find out. Okay, this is why I will make reviews on this channel. So stay glued, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Do it to like this video and share to your friends and your loved ones. I actually love the closure. Look at the texture. This is a natural color. This feels like color. Okay, they kind of mix color one and color two, so it is not all that dark and it is not so brownish, but it is really nice. I mean, it feels like a natural hair. You can see the texture, very very smooth. Okay, try to even scatter the hair and see what it looks like. You can see, and it is actually thick from the top to the brim. You can see. I can say for a fact it's not a single drawn hair, obviously. Okay, but I want, is it really an STD or is it a double drawn hair? Okay, I want us to experiment together. I mean, I've read it several times anyway, but this is actually a new review. Find out together on this particular pack. Now, this is really, really nice. So for the texture, I'll give it an 8 over 10. For the texture, I'll give it like 8 over 10. If you don't want your bob wig in 4x4, you can actually pair with, like most of them, pair for some clients with a 2x6. Fine, bone straight like Kim K closure. You can see how fine this closure is. Okay, this would go perfectly well on this hair. Like you can see, the color is just the same. Okay, so for some people, like, oh, I want my hair in Kim K. I want to rub Kim K bone straight. You can see. So you can actually get the, because Amella has a product that doesn't come with closure. Just it saves you cost. So if you want the Kim K closure, instead of going to go and buy the Amella with closure, you get the one without closure and you can pair it with um a kinky closure. If you want your closure, your bob wig in full frontal, you buy the one without closure and look for the exact color of your frontal and just pair it together and you're good to go. Okay. So let's see if 8 inches is actually very, very short or it's okay, which I feel like it's going to be okay, but I'll make a video and I'll show you guys how 8 inches looks like. So guys, I just finished styling the Amella 8 inches as a bob wig, 4x4 bob wig, and this is the outlook. As you can see, the wig came out really beautiful. Okay, it's giving a double drawn instead of an SDD, but it came out really, really cute. I mean, one thing I focus on as a wig producer is creating wigs that look natural, luxurious, professional. I always give that professional finish touch regardless of the price range. Okay, so if you like a costume luxury wig made by me or you start up your hair business and you need a professional wig production, okay, all my contact details is on the description box below. Okay, thank you for watching guys. Do well to hit the like button, share to your friends and your loved ones, and I'll be seeing you in my next one. Stay blessed.